we have another package. It's wrapped in Christmas wrapping paper. That's nice. Oh yeah, this is nice. What is this? Oh, okay, there are some parts. This. Then we have a few charging ports. The iPads. This is something special. Yep. We have a screen body. This iPad. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one's really empty. It's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. With some screws. We have 11 iPads that I purchased for extremely cheap. We have some random parts in this box from a smartwatch, and then we have all of these iPads